Hi there, I'm Paul Burton with ASCENT. You may be familiar with the training guides that ASCENT has been producing for many years. Whether you receive one when you attended a training class or you purchase one directly from us, they contain some great instructional content and give you many opportunities to work through typical hands-on examples as you learn the software. You may not be aware that we also offer this content in an online format. Over the next several minutes, I'm going to show you how to use our learning content through our online Productivity Now e-learning portal, built on the Pinnacle Series platform from Eagle Point Software. Okay, let's get started. All right, here we are on the Productivity Now homepage. Before we do anything, I'm going to go to the user information button up here in the top right-hand corner. This is going to enable me to modify my user profile. On this page, I'm able to upload or change my profile picture, and I can also change my password. You're likely going to be prompted to change your password the first time you log into the system. Okay, let's go back out to the home page. Back on the home page, I'm currently not enrolled in any courses, so I'm going to expand the ASCENT Courses node here in the Asset Library section on the left-hand side. This will list all of the software products for which there are courses available to me. The courses available to a user depend on the e-learning bundle or the subscription purchased. For this example, I'm going to select AutoCAD. The AutoCAD Assets page appears. The software version for which there are assets available are shown at the top. In this case, versions 2018 and 2019 are available. There are 8 learning paths available for AutoCAD 2019, so I'll expand the list to see those. Learning paths in Productivity Now are collections of mini courses, which are equivalent to the chapters of a training guide. If I know the name of a learning path I want to enroll in, I can enter a keyword to filter that list. For example, I'll start typing in the word fundamentals. You can see the list of learning paths gets smaller. I can clear the filter field and the list of learning paths is restored. Since I'm a new user to AutoCAD, I'm going to go ahead and select the Fundamentals learning path. Before I enroll in anything, I can read the description for the learning path. I can expand the courses that make up the learning path to see what topics they cover. To access the content I need to enroll, I can enroll in any of the individual courses in the learning path, or I can select the Enroll in All button at the top to get access to all courses in the learning path. Again, since I'm new to AutoCAD, I'm going to enroll in the entire learning path to make sure I learn all the basics. I can choose to give myself a due date to complete the courses or leave that unselected and click Continue. Now that I'm enrolled in all the courses of the learning path, I can select Go to Course on any of them to begin. I'll start with the first course in the learning path. In the learning path environment, the content for each topic is displayed in the main area. Next and Previous buttons appear below that so you can navigate between the topics of the course. As I view each item in the course, a check mark is going to appear here in the tree on the left-hand side to indicate that that topic has been viewed. I can also navigate by selecting an item in the tree to display it. Our courses are typically going to provide one or more topics to introduce and explain a concept or feature. Many of the courses for Autodesk software also include video assets to demonstrate the features and concepts. These narrative videos are streamed directly from Productivity Now. The video controls at the bottom of the video window include an option for closed captioning. They also enable you to change the playback speed of the video, and you can also expand the video to display full screen on your monitor. Most courses in our learning paths will include hands-on practice exercises that give you a scenario to work through in the software using the knowledge gained in the course. These practices include step-by-step guidance and will include a link to download any files that are required. In this case, I can download and open the file needed for this practice in AutoCAD. Finally, at the end of each course in the learning path, I can test my knowledge with a set of review questions. These multiple choice and true-false questions enable me to check that I understood the key concepts presented in the course. I'm not required to complete all courses in the learning path during my session, so the next time I log in, my learning path with the list of courses I'm enrolled in will appear on my home page. I can select the learning path from here and return to it at any time. Here on the home page, there is a search field that enables me to find courses and learning paths related to the specific topics I'm interested in. If I'm trying to use a law feature in Fusion 360, for example, I can enter the term in the search field and press enter. On the results page, I can use the library filters over here on the left-hand side to narrow the results for the specific software and version I'm interested in. Then I can access the course and enroll in it or the entire learning path it belongs to. On the learning paths and courses, you'll see a small share icon. You can click on this to send or copy a link of the course or learning path. You can share that link with anyone else that also has access to the content in Productivity Now. You can also share the course or learning path to your assets. Back on the home page, your saved assets are listed on the right-hand side. This is a way for you to save a list of favorite courses or learning paths with shortcuts to return to them easily. You can edit your list by selecting the My Assets heading. You can remove assets from your list at any time by selecting Edit Assets at the top, and then selecting Remove next to any of those that you no longer require. Also on this page, you can download content for offline viewing. If I'm going to be somewhere without internet access, for example, I can download a course or entire learning path to my PC so I can keep learning. The first time you do this, you're going to be prompted to download and install the Pinnacle Series User Tools, which includes an offline viewing tool. The assets you download will be available to you in the Pinnacle Series offline viewer for 14 days. After it is installed on your PC, you'll be able to launch the viewer from your computer's Start menu by selecting Pinnacle Series Offline Viewer in the Pinnacle Series User Tools folder. From anywhere in Productivity Now, you can select the square academic cap icon in the top right-hand corner to access the Learning Center and a list of courses and learning paths that you're enrolled in. On this page, you can also download completion certificates for any courses that you've successfully completed. You must have viewed every item in a course and achieved at least 70% on the review questions to be able to download the certificate for a course. Finally, back on the home page again, we've provided links to our website, our e-store, and our blogs that are written by the same authors that write our learning content. You can find those over on the left-hand side. You can also access recordings of webcasts delivered by our authors in the ASCENT Resources Asset Library. These are updated frequently, so check back in here regularly for new presentations. Thanks for spending the last few minutes with me touring Productivity Now. If you want more information about the portal and the e-learning bundles we offer, please contact us by email at courseware@ascented.com or visit our website, www.ascented.com. Thanks for watching.